Alright, if you're watching this video, it means you create an Autodesk account. If you haven't done so, go back to the previous video. Alright, now that you have your account, I'm going to show you how to create a new folder and save your project. So up in the top left, there's this Rubik's Cube. It's called the Data Panel. You want to click on that. Inside of here, you can find your projects. So yours will probably pull up and it will probably say Demo Project. That's fine. If you go back, then you can make new projects, but it's fine, we can just use that demo project. The main thing we're concerned about is making a folder inside of this project. So to make a folder, you go right here, it says new folder, and you name it whatever you want. Now if you're going to make a fidget spinner, name it fidget spinner. If you're going to make a name tag, name it name tag. Now it's not a big deal if you want to switch, because you can always rename it. I accidentally hit enter. Mine was right here, this new folder. So I can right click on it and say rename. Say I switched from a fidget spinner to a name tag. There we go. And oh, I didn't hit enter. So another lesson there. Type it and then hit enter. Now you have it. It says you already have that folder. I know, I'm going to delete it. Okay. So I have a folder, and it's named name tag, and that's what I'm going to save my name tag inside of. Now if it's fidget spinner, you would save your fidget spinner inside of it. So go up to the top and close the data panel. Alright, before you initially save, you need to make sure that you're drawing in the right system of measurement. We like to draw in the standard system on this, which means inches and feet, rather than the metric system, which is millimeters, centimeters, and so on. So if you go here to document settings and do the down arrow, you can see that my units are already in inches, IN. Now if it said mm or millimeters, I would know to change it. If that was the case, I would hover over this change active units and it would pop up here on the right, and I would go, oh, I don't want millimeters, I want inches. Click on inch, say set as default, hit OK. Okay, so now we know that we're in the right units. Let's save it. So you can go right up here and hit the save sign, and I want you to name it your name, first name, last initial, and then you can name it fidget1, or if you're doing a name tag 1, something to let you know that this is a fidget spinner or a name tag and it's your first one that you made. Okay, so name tag 1. Now look right here, it's in the demo project, which is good, but we want to pick the folder inside of that project. So you do the little drop down arrow here on the right, and you go down and pick your name tag folder. Here it is, or fidget spinner folder, and say save. Okay, in the future, when I want to save this, if I've done something, the save sign will light up. But if I haven't done anything, then it doesn't light up. See how it won't let me click on it? But you can still save. You go here to File, and you can go Save As, and then just hit Save. But usually what's going to happen is you're going to have worked on it some. So say that I've drawn part of it and ready to save. You usually can just hit that save sign and just say OK, and it saved it for you. Okay, if you want to open it, you can go to your data panel. So say I'm just starting the program, it's a new fresh day, I need to work on it. Go to my name tag folder. Now remember, the name tag folder is inside of this demo project. There it is, and then it will show up right here. Okay, my computer's been a little slow, but it'll show up, and then you click on it and you're good to go. So go in, change your units to inches, make sure they're in inches, make a new folder inside of the demo project called name tag or fidget spinner, and then I want you to save and keep up your Fusion. Don't close out of it, and move on to the next video in Canvas.